Hey Drone Nerds, Matt here. Today, I have a really useful product that can be deployed from a drone. This is the Rest Tube Automatic. This Rest Tube Automatic is a compact floatable designed to be deployed from a drone with a dropper system. Now, it automatically inflates once it hits the water, and it aids in water rescues, giving the distressed something to float with until rescue teams can pull them to safety. How the unit works is it's equipped with a CO2 cartridge for quick inflation and can be recharged after use with Rest Tube's automatic rearming kit. It has a high visibility color and can also help signal rescue teams arriving on the scene. Utilizing the Rest Tube Automatic for shore-to-sea rescues deployed from a drone increases efficiency for first responders, making it much quicker to get a flotation device to someone in need compared to traditional methods. If you have any questions on the Rest Tube Automatic, go ahead and put those in the comments. And join us in a future video when we go out to the water and show you how the Rest Tube Automatic works deployed from a drone. Also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to see all of our latest Drone Nerds content. My name is Matt. Happy flying.